Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door bean in a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door bean. This door bean is located at the bottom of the left side French door. It's used for storing jars, bottles, and the like. The main reason to replace the door bean is if it's broken and won't stay in place or keep the contents in. To get to the part, we need to open the left side door. To remove the old door bean, we need to push it up. This is the old door bean next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the new door bean, we're going to place these two locking tabs on the sides into the cutouts here on the door, near the top of the cutout, and then press it down. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.